Hello again. Today it's 2 Minutes Friday. We'll be talking about how to remove anything from a photo with Photoshop. So today I'll be teaching you how to remove any unwanted objects from a photo with Photoshop. Let's start the timer. Go! Let's fire up Photoshop. Hit Command J, it duplicated a new layer. You can see it on the right side. Go ahead and click on the polygonal lasso tool and you want to go around the object so you can select it completely for the object that you would like to remove. Now once it's selected, go to edit, go on content over fill, click it. A new window will open up. What's with green on the left side, it means that it allows Photoshop to replicate from the patterns on top of the object that you would like to remove. On the right side you can see already how it looks, so it's already removed. Click OK. Now hit Command D to deselect and boom, that's it. Now let's try and grab another example and I can show you the difference. Let's grab this one. So again, Command J, duplicate the layer, grab your polygonal lasso tool, select the object that you would like to remove, edit, content to airfill. Now, if I'm removing all the green color from here and I would like Photoshop to sample from here, then you can see that it will sample from the green side that I selected, and it won't sample from the sky, and it won't remove the object. It will be completely wrong. It will be the opposite. So I'll just deselect the green, and then I'll select some greens from the sky around it, from where Photoshop can duplicate, and then I can click apply. Okay. Deselect, as you can see it has been removed. So as you can see, it was not complicated at all. It's very easy and effective. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, click the subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.